Common side effects of consuming Amla.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the common side effects of consuming Amla. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a fruit that is widely used in Ayurvedic medicine for its numerous health benefits. However, like any other natural remedy, it is essential to be aware of its potential side effects. So, let's dive right in.
Can Amla cause digestive issues?
Amla is rich in fiber, which is generally beneficial for digestion. However, consuming Amla in large amounts or without proper moderation can lead to digestive issues. Some individuals may experience symptoms like diarrhea, upset stomach, or abdominal cramps. It is advisable to start with small amounts of Amla and gradually increase the dosage to avoid these side effects.
Can Amla interact with medications?
Certain medications may interact with Amla and result in adverse effects. Amla has anticoagulant properties, which means it can thin the blood. If you are taking blood-thinning medications such as warfarin, it is important to consult with your healthcare provider before consuming Amla, as it may increase the risk of bleeding.
Can Amla cause allergic reactions?
While rare, some individuals may be allergic to Amla. Allergic reactions can manifest as skin rashes, itchiness, or even difficulty breathing in severe cases. If you experience any allergic symptoms after consuming Amla, discontinue its use and seek medical attention immediately.
Can Amla affect blood sugar levels?
Amla has been traditionally used to help manage blood sugar levels. However, individuals with diabetes or those taking medications to control their blood sugar should exercise caution. Amla may interact with these medications and potentially lower blood sugar levels to an unsafe extent. Regular monitoring of blood sugar levels is crucial in such cases. In conclusion, while Amla offers numerous health benefits, it is important to be aware of its potential side effects. Some individuals may experience digestive issues, it may interact with certain medications, and in rare cases, it can cause allergic reactions. Additionally, for those with diabetes, Amla may affect blood sugar levels. If you have any concerns or pre-existing medical conditions, it is always best to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating Amla into your diet. As always, remember that moderation is key when it comes to any natural remedy. Stay healthy and see you next time.